Question 1. What is measurement? How is a measurement expressed? Answer. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Question 13. Define 1 kilogram, the SI unit of mass. How is it related to I quintal, 2 metric ton, 3 gram? Answer. The mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius is taken as 1 kilogram. Physics, Chapter 2 Physical Quantities and Measurement. 1. Write true or false for each statement. A. SI unit of temperature is Fahrenheit. False. A. SI unit of temperature is Fahrenheit. False. B. Every measurement involves two things, a number and a unit. True. B. Every measurement involves two things, a number and a unit. True. C. Mass is the measure of quantity of matter. True. C. Mass is the measure of quantity of matter. True. D. The SI unit of time is hour. False. D. The SI unit of time is hour. False. E. Area can be expressed as the product of lengths of two sides. True. E. Area can be expressed as the product of lengths of two sides. True. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. The SI unit of length is meter, of time is second, of mass is kilogram. A. The SI unit of length is meter, of time is second, of mass is kilogram. B. Degree C is the unit of temperature. B. Degree C is the unit of temperature. C. 1 metric ton is equal to 100 kilograms. C. 1 metric ton is equal to 100 kilograms. D. The zero mark in Celsius thermometer is the melting point of ice. D. The zero mark in Celsius thermometer is the melting point of ice. E. The thermometer used to measure the human body temperature is called the clinical thermometer. E. The thermometer used to measure the human body temperature is called the clinical thermometer. F. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. F. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. G. The mass of an object is measured with the help of a beam balance. G. The mass of an object is measured with the help of a beam balance. 3. Match the following columns. Column A, column B. A. Length of a housing plot. Answer. Measuring tape. A. Length of a housing plot. Answer. Measuring tape. B. Breadth of a book. Answer. Meter ruler. B. Breadth of a book. Answer. Meter ruler. C. Mass of an apple. Answer. Beam balance. C. Mass of an apple. Answer. Beam balance. D. Period of time for study. Answer. Clock. D. Period of time for study. Answer. Clock. E. Temperature of a body. Answer. Thermometer. E. Temperature of a body. Answer. Thermometer. F. Surface area of a leaf. Answer. Graph paper. F. Surface area of a leaf answer. Graph paper. 4. Select the correct alternative. The symbol of degree Celsius is. Answer, degree C. Answer, degree C. 10 millimeters is equal to. Answer, 1 centimeter. The amount of surface occupied by an object is called its. Answer, area. A meter ruler is graduated in. Answer, mm. A thermometer is graduated in. Answer, degree C. B. Short long answer questions. Question 1. What is measurement? How is a measurement expressed? Answer. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. The value obtained on measuring a quantity is called its magnitude. The magnitude of a quantity is expressed as numbers in its unit. Question 2. State 2 characteristics of a unit. Answer. 2 characteristics of a unit are. It should be of convenient size. It must be universally accepted, i.e., its value must remain same at all places and at all times. Question 3. Name 4 basic measurements in our daily life. Answer. In our daily life we measure the following 4 basic physical quantities. Answer. In our daily life we measure the following 4 basic physical quantities. Length, mass, time, temperature. Question 4. What are the SI units of 1? Mass. 2. Length. 5. Define 1 meter, the SI unit of length. State its 1 multiple and 1 sub-multiple. Answer. 1 meter is defined as the distance travelled by light in 1 by 299,792,458 air in of a second. Multiple of meter is equal to kilometer. Submultiple of meter is equal to centimeter. Question 6. Convert the following quantities as indicated. Answer. 12 inch is equal to 1 foot. 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. Question 7. Describe in steps how would you measure the length of a pencil using a meter rule. Draw a diagram if necessary. Answer. To measure the length of a pencil using a meter rule, place meter rule with its marking close to the object. Let PQ be a pencil. The end P of the pencil coincides with the 0 mark on the ruler. The end Q of the pencil is read by keeping the eye at the position B vertically above the end Q. So the length of pencil is 4.3 centimeters. Question 7. Explain with an example how you will use the meter ruler in part A. A. If the ends of Question 7. Explain with an example how you will use the meter ruler in Part A if the ends of ruler are broken. Answer. The ends of the ruler get damaged with use and its zero mark may not be visible. To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to a specific markings on the ruler and positions of both ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference of the two readings gives the length of the object. In Fig. The reading on ruler at the end X is 1.0 cm and at the end Y is 4.3 cm. So the length of the rod XY is 4.3. 1.0 is equal to 3.3 centimeters. Question 8. Name the device which you will use to measure the perimeter of your playground. Describe in steps how you will use it. Answer. We will use a measuring tape to measure the perimeter of our playground. To measure the length of playground, the tape is spread along the length of the curved area. Question 9. Answer A. Length of stick PQ from Position A is equal to 3.4 cm. Position B is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Position C is equal to 3.00 centimeters. No, they are not same. Answer B. B is the correct position of the eye. Correct length of the stick PQ is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Question 10. Define mass. State its 1. SI, 2. C.gs and 3. EP.s. Units. How are they related? Answer. The mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. In short form, it is written as kg. In C.gs system, the unit of mass is gram, symbol G. In FPS system, the unit of mass is pound, symbol pound. Question 11. Convert the following quantities as indicated. Answer. Question 12. Name the Question 12. Name the instrument which is commonly used to measure the mass of a body. State how is it used. Answer. Instrument commonly used to measure the mass of a body is the beam balance. Draw beam balance. When we hold up the balance, we observe that when there is nothing on either pan, the beam horizontal, the body, the lift pan, the tankard weight are put, that's the beam is again horizontal. On holding the balance up, the total at standard weight gain the mass at the gain body. Question 13. Define 1 kilogram, the SI unit of mass. How is it related to I. Quintal, 2. Metric ton, 3 gram? Answer. The mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius is taken as 1 kilogram. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms. 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal is equal to 1000 kilograms. 1 gram is equal to January 1000 kg. Question 14. Name and define the SI unit of time. How is it related to I. Minute, 2. Hour, 3. day and for year? Answer. The SI unit of time is second. In short form we write it as S. 1 second is the time interval between the two consecutive ticks that you hear from pendulum wall clock. 1 minute is equal to 60 s. 1 h is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 3600 s. 1 day is equal to 24 h is equal to 86,400 s. 1 year is equal to 365 days is equal to 3.15 times 107 s. Question 15. Name two devices used to measure the short time interval of an event. Answer. Two devices used to measure the time interval of an event are 1. Stopwatch, 2. Stop clock. Question 16. Express in second. 3 minute 15 second and 2. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 2 minutes is equal to 2 times 600 is equal to 120 second. 1 hour 3600 second. 5 hour 3600 times 5 is equal to 18,000 second. 2 5 hour 2 minutes and 5 second is equal to 18,000 plus 120 plus 5 equals 18,125 seconds. Question 17. What does the temperature measure? Answer. Temperature measures the degree of coldness and hotness of a body. Question 18. Name the SI unit and one common unit of temperature. Write their symbols also. Answer. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, symbol K. Common unit of temperature is degree centigrade, symbol degree C. Question 19. Name the instrument used for measuring of the temperature of a person. Draw its labeled neat diagram. Answer. The temperature is measured with a thermometer. Question 20. Write the temperature of I. Melting ice, 2. Boiling water. Answer. The temperature of melting ice is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling water is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Question 21. What is a clinical thermometer? State its special feature. Draw a labeled neat diagram of a clinical thermometer showing the range of temperature marked on it. Answer. Doctors use a special thermometer called the clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of the patient's body. This thermometer has the markings This kink is called the constriction. Melting ice is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling water is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Question 21. What is a clinical thermometer? State its special feature. Draw a labeled neat diagram of a clinical thermometer showing the range of temperature marked on it. Answer. Doctors use a special thermometer called the clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of the patient's body. This thermometer has the markings from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It has a slight bend or kink in the stem just above the bulb. This kink is called the constriction. This constriction prevents the mercury from falling back all by itself. The temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius. This temperature is marked by a red arrow. Question 22. What is the normal temperature of the human body? How is it indicated in a clinical thermometer? Answer. Normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. To measure the temperature of a patient's body, its bulb is kept either below the tongue or under the armpit of the patient for about a minute. Then the thermometer is taken out and its reading is noted. When the temperature of patient's body is above 37 degrees Celsius, he is said to suffer with fever. Question 23. Can a clinical thermometer be used to measure the temperature of the boiling water? Give reason for your answer. Answer. No. A clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of boiling water. The reasons are: 1. It has a very small range. 2. It can break on cooling and on excess heating. Question 24. Explain the term area of a surface. Answer. The total surface occupied by an object is called its area or surface area. Question 25. Name the SI unit of area and define it. Answer. The SI unit of area is square meter or short form is written as m2. 3 km to 4